What's up, YouTube? This is Rob with WCP Pressure Washing and Painting. I'm doing my next project, which is house wash, pool deck, and screen enclosure. I'm going to wash everything, and I'm also going to be painting everything I wash. So they're going to be getting house paint, and they're going to be, well, they're not doing the pool screen enclosure, but they're doing the pool deck also. So that's where I'm at today. Look like a tactical unit right now. I got this thing off Amazon. Pretty cheap, 30 bucks. And it opens up. And it's a see-through glass. I don't know if you can see it, but my phone is there. So now I don't gotta dig in my pocket. I don't have to have my phone upside down, worrying about water getting in it while I'm washing. And it's easy just to bring it down, see who's calling, put it back up. I'll put on my headphones and I can take a call while I'm working. So anyway, I haven't really explained what I used it the last job I did. What was it? Screen enclosure pool deck. I used the new downstream I have, which is, I got this from, I didn't do this one myself, but I got it from, Jesus, I am not good with this, but Dragon Sun. Alright, so, it's the bypass. What I did is I put it in this corner. I got a 10 foot or 15 foot line going around. Under the tank, going into over here. I went and got a ZK1 unloader, switched it out, and I used quick connects to put it, because it's a pain in the ass to try to turn this on, try to turn it in here with this piece on the bottom. So I just put a quick connect. So I ran everything else like I had it before. Pressurized it at 35. Should be about 35 at the gun. I use this yellow gun. Note, this is exactly the same as the orange gun. The only thing is this one's rated for 300 psi. That one's rated for 750 psi. What I did is I took off the tip. Let me show you. Okay, so I took out the tip. Normally, on this yellow gun, this right here is black and it's plastic. I try to use this on the pressure washer, and what happened was the black plastic blew it out, so the pressure was too much for this. So that's the difference between the 750 and the 300. Everything else is the same. So it's this piece here. So I had ordered an extra one for the orange gun, and I used it for this. Everything fits, as you can see. It has an orange lip, because that's usually the one you order for the orange gun, but I used it for this one and it works out good. You see me using my last video. I'm going to be using it again in this video. Tighten it up. That's it. So I don't use my hose reel no more. I put my soft wash gun there just so it won't leak. I don't have another ball valve to put there. Actually, I think I do. I gotta look for it, but eventually I'm just gonna put a ball valve there so it won't leak. Like over here, I put a ball valve there, so like that when I disconnect it, I shut the ball valve and I won't have it leaking from the hose all over the place. So that's what I did. Put it there. And let me tell you, people, for me, it's a big game changer. It's so easy to deal with it like that. I mean, you could soft wash so easy, and anything you need more for, you just pump up spray. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna need it in the back. There's a window back there that's, that back wall from north side is bad. Now I gotta clean this before I put it in. So let me walk around real quick, show you what I got going on. This is the house. They don't live here. They live up north. It's like a vacation home, so they're spicing it up. Look at that. Nice cars. It's that New York money. Oh, New Jersey. That's where they're from, New Jersey. So all this is going to be cleaned. All these cracks got to be filled. Just more on the painting part. Look how that's caked. Look at this one. All right. I'll do a screen enclosure. I'll go this way like this. There's people there. I don't want to put them on camera. So on the screen enclosure, I'm gonna start on the outside. Clean all the outside. There it goes. Clean all the outside, then on the inside, clean it up. You got to get back up there in that piece up there. Oh shit. So all right, people, give me a second. I got everything already kind of set up. Let me just clean that hose, and I'll get back at you in a second. Starting on the outside. Look how easy and how fast I soak this. I always get it on the side so it can stick better. I'm not running any soap, I'm just running SH. I don't like to mix the soap inside the tanks, the SH tanks. I don't know, I don't see nothing wrong with it, I just don't. You can see the algae come down. Looking screen. This is way better than using the J-rod. Cleans it out quick. Gonna have to hit that with the pump up. Still gotta wash the front and this side. I'm doing a lot of talking with the customer. Not working. It's okay. Okay, no, he definitely gave me the approval for the deck, so it's definitely doing the deck. All right, YouTube, I'm done. I was doing some extra work, preparing. I still got a lot to do to prepare for painting, but this is it. I was trying to patch up some of these. There's a bunch of holes there. There was some big holes there, so I had to patch it up. So I still, before we start, I still gotta come back and patch up my holes. This is the fence, everything is nice and clean. So we're gonna be doing the deck also. He told me to leave everything there. This wall was real bad. It still is real bad. I still gotta patch up over here. Oh, this still gotta get caulked. We're going to be painting all of the fascias, all of the soffits, and the house. I'm in Davenport, Florida. My office is dry. But people, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe. In a second. Oof, freaking hot. Oh man, like and subscribe. If you have questions, ask. I don't mind. I answer what I can. And tune in to my next one.
Please subscribe and like the video. It helps me with the channel. I really appreciate it, and I will return the favor.